Hello everyone, so how do you selectively delete particular media WhatsApp chat on your iPhone? Open your WhatsApp and go to settings and tap on storage and data. Very obvious that this will be the option. Now tap on manage storage. Once you get it, you will be able to see this. Now from here you can access to different chat data which you can delete right away by selecting. So you select it by holding it and clicking on delete item, or you can just select multiple together by clicking on the select option on top right corner. So here I'm showing you how to do it, and you can delete these or copies of it along with the selected items. Basically delete wisely if you want only these items or other copies of it as well. So 1 GB has been deleted now. So in this particular chat no media is present now. So that's how we do it. You access your storage and delete it. This feature helps to selectively delete the data you want to. So this is really helpful. See you in the next video. Ta-da!